Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix a common issue on the Oppo A16K, the screen turning off unexpectedly during calls or voice messages. This happens because of a faulty or overly sensitive proximity light sensor. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. Let's start by powering off the phone completely. Now, using the SIM ejector pin, remove the SIM tray. Next, gently pry open the back panel. Take your time and work around the edges. Once the back is off, remove the screws securing the mid-frame. Now carefully lift the middle frame. You'll now see the motherboard and front-facing components. Disconnect all the flex cables connected to the motherboard, battery connector, display flex, charging PCB flex. After all flex cables are disconnected, carefully remove the motherboard from the housing. Lift it slowly from the side, don't force it. Now you have full access to the proximity sensor area at the top of the board. At the top of the phone, next to the front camera, you'll find the proximity light sensor. It's a small, rectangular sensor usually under a small transparent cover. This sensor can malfunction due to dust, light leakage, or alignment issues with the front glass. We're going to reduce its sensitivity by slightly dimming the light it receives. Cut a tiny square of tape or frosted transparent tape. It should be small enough to cover the sensor area only, avoid the camera and earpiece area. Using tweezers, gently place the tape directly on top of the sensor window. The idea here is to partially block the light, reducing false activation but not disabling it completely. If done properly, the sensor will still function when you make a call, but won't turn the screen off unnecessarily. Once the tape is in place, you can begin reassembling the phone. Place the mid-frame back over the internal components. Screw all the screws back in using your precision screwdriver. Carefully clip the back panel into place, making sure it snaps in all around. Insert the SIM tray back in. Now your phone is ready to power on. Now let's test the phone. Make a call and bring the phone to your ear, the screen should turn off. Move it away, it should turn back on. Perfect, This means your proximity sensor is now working correctly without being too sensitive. And that's it.